Wow, what a beautiful flower that I come across. Wow, these are beautiful. Has a big horns and a long beard. Yeah, it has a very bad smell. Spinach, and I'm gonna have some for lunch or dinner. So that is what I'm doing, because the chickens really did attack my vegetable, my tent garden. I'm just doing watering. Poppies are doing very great. Look at that. I have some okra inside them, but I cannot see them now. Like they overpowered the okra. One is here. This is one of my okras. Again, I have some big spinaches here too. These ones are the spinach that remained this side when I did transplant the first one. So this is my little garden here, my tent garden, where I have spinach. As you can see, this is spinach. Onions, spring onions also I have inside. I put some few of these tails on my tails here. And I have also tomatoes. We have already started receiving fruits from the tomatoes. You see, I have a fruit from the tomatoes here, little tiny one, which is so cool. I never spray my garden, but this time around I have a lot of bugs attack my garden, so I was so worried. Some tomatoes are bigger than the others, so we'll do the pruning of the tomatoes as we go. Only where necessary, because this time around my tomato didn't have a lot of suckers. So it's very little suckers. Don't have big suckers. I don't throw these ones away. I do make them on the, like, I put them into a sea water, then I water back to the plants. So I don't throw the suckers away or the leaves. You see, you have to check every day. I have bugs here. And I do put them just inside there. So this is my syrup where I made, and this syrup, they're just leaves. I put them together and I soak them there. So it's the one keeping the bugs out of my garden. Nice, I'm receiving fruits here already. Very nice, bigger one already. I need to water them now like every day. If you go to my back of my garden videos, you will see this spinach. We have been here for now 3 months, and it is feeding the 6 family. This is my little garden. Not 6 family, 6 people. A family of 6. I was cutting some shrubs here. And I see the chameleon somewhere here, like this. Moving so fast. I got this one here, but every day it's burning. So I don't know why is it burning the leaves. And it has a fruit already. Trying to learn what is the problem that is burning. So that's all. This is blue. Whoa, it's time for mushrooms. So we're gonna forage mushrooms. Wow, so cool. But it's only one. How cool is that? Organic fertilizer, manure. This one. Just down here. So this is horrible. I keep it there for the chickens. So I'm just gonna put them down here. Here, I planted this one already. Faster. So I have this space here. My garden is growing bigger and bigger, and I don't even have a space because I wanted to transplant the black nightshade too. Even if they're looking like sticks, it might revive. The first time I'm foraging this kales in this area, the first time, but this one has gone for almost 5 months, so I'm just gonna be very fast with the lower leaves. So that they got. So I got this one from this little space here for the first time. So these ones were the lowest leaves, so they were getting burnt by the sun. It's pretty hot, and it's a rainy season too. So I got this one from my garden a lot.